normal process of hair growth is a natural cycle comprised of 3 stages known as anagen, catagen, and telogen. The growing period is called the anagen stage. Early anagen starts with the merging of new hair, which pushes out the old one. The hair grows for up to 7 years as the anagen stage continues. In the late stages of anagen, the hair growth slows as it enters the stage of catagen. During the catagen stage, the hair begins to detach from the dermal papilla. When this occurs, the hair stops growing and parts of the hair follicles break down. This stage can last up to 6 weeks. The hair then enters the telogen stage, a resting phase that lasts up to 6 months. The hair is inactive and rests securely in its place. As the hair is no longer attached, it cannot be repaired. It loses its condition and appears dull. Hair loss and thinning hair occur when the hair follicle shrinks and weakens at the root of the hair shaft. Causes include genetics, dry climates, hormonal changes, stress, drugs, and nutrition. The Advanced Hair Complex by AQ Skin Solutions is a natural growth factor serum that targets conditions of thinning hair, hardening of the scalp, and weakening of the hair follicles. It utilizes patented human growth factor technology that effectively addresses hair loss at the source by repairing damaged hair follicles and stimulating regeneration of active and new follicles. The Hair Complex by AQ Skin Solutions is designed to restore the health of the follicles by nourishing them with select, pure natural human growth factors, currently present in a healthy scalp. These factors signal the dermal papilla to increase circulation that may lead to healthier, thicker, and fuller hair.